Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. And today we'll be taking a look at this 2017 Toyota Corolla CE. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger sedan and the color is called Alpine White. Under the hood you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine and you'll be riding on top of 15-inch alloy wheels. Now some of your awesome features include your fully automatic headlights. You also have automatic high beams for any highway drivers out there, and you have heated outdoor mirrors, but there's a ton of great stuff happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look around. So we're going to take a look on the inside of your Corolla there. Open it up here, show you some of the technology features. Lots of room to get in and out, nice amount of space. You do have some storage here in your driver's side door along with some cup holders there. You have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. You also have 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. And you have these really comfortable plush seats to ride around in. Really nice, comfortable ride. Here are your power mirrors, as I had mentioned, just to the left of your steering wheel there. And we're gonna hop on in. We'll start it up for you, take a look at the odometer and some of the other technology features. So nice ambient lighting, easy on the eyes. You can see there that there's only 19,915 kilometers on the Corolla, so lots of life left on your vehicle there. Moving a little bit further back, you do have a lot of mounted controls on your steering wheel. You have your volume control and your music selection buttons along with your mode changer there. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice command. So your display menu here is going to be on your dash. This is going to give you your cruising range, your average speed, your trip 1, trip 2, things like that, your average fuel economy. And then right under there is your lane departure warning and your dynamic radar cruise control. Right here is how you set your cruise control if you're doing any highway driving. So moving into our audio entertainment system now, you do have everything you're going to want. You have your AM FM radio, you have your CD player, your USB, your Bluetooth audio, and that's going to give you your hands-free calling there as well. And then you have your auxiliary input. Now there are some other options here for you so you can keep track of your economy and how you're driving, your fuel economy, things like that. And then you can set up all of your different settings there just in that setup menu. So moving a little bit further down, we have our climate control, which includes our AC for those hot summer days. Moving a little bit further down from there, we do have a 12-volt DC plug-in, and here is where you would plug in your audio input and your USB cable. So moving a little bit further back from there, we have a leather-wrapped shift knob. That's going to add some luxury to your drive. You also have sport mode available, if that's how you'd prefer to drive. Super fun to drive that way. You have your traction control next to some of your cup holders here, and then you have a 2-level center console. Whoops, center console there to add some storage if you want to carry some smaller items along with you. Once again, you do have those all-weather floor mats throughout your entire vehicle, and then you have a nice big glove compartment with all of the manuals that you're going to need. So lots of really great stuff happening in the front of your Corolla. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Taking a look at the back of your Corolla, your rear windshield does have that defrost, so it's going to be nice on those winter days when your back window is a little bit frosty. So we're just going to open this up here, take a look at the cargo space. Lots and lots of cargo space. Just because you're driving a sedan doesn't mean you don't have anything to carry, so that's really important. And right under here is your spare tire with all of the tools and jacks that you're going to need. You know, gosh forbid anything happen to you while you're on the road, but if it does, you do have those tools to get you back to safety. And we're just going to close this back up here for you and give you a nice view of the back of your Corolla. Giving you a final look then of the 2017 Toyota Corolla CE. Now this is a great vehicle for a family vehicle, or if you're a new driver, a first-time buyer, or if you just want a nice, reliable car. Come on in, take it for a test drive, see how you like it, ask all of the questions, see what kind of warranties are still available on this Corolla. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Thank you for watching. My name is Elisa, and until we see you, drive safe.